subscribe for more upcoming videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever imagined how a Poli Robocar looks like if it's made of clay? Today I'll give you an answer. Let's get started. Use 2 blocks of blue clay to make main body of Poli. Make 4 holes to put the wheels in later. Add another layer of darker blue clay as the top of the police car. To make the doors, I use light blue clay as glass. There are special tools for clay making. Use them to make your process easier. Make the long line as liner of the car doors. Poli's face need a cap. Let me make it for him. Add some liners to the top and 2 sides of the car. Make the eyes using black clay. Stick the emergency light together with the body. Here is the logo of Poli that has blue letter P. Put on the rearview mirrors, aka Poli's ears. The last step is to make 4 wheels for Poli. Then we have a fancy police car.